Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately from my viewers. How long does a Bask bank transfer take? I'm going to be answering this question in detail in this video, so if you're interested in learning more, please stick around. What is Bask? Before we get into the specifics of how long a Bask bank transfer takes, let's first talk about what Bask is. Bask is a new type of bank that is designed to make banking easier and more affordable. It's a digital bank, which means that you can access your account from anywhere in the world. Bask offers a number of different banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and loans. One of the most popular services that Bask offers is its bank transfer service. How does Bask work? Bask uses a unique technology to make it easy for you to transfer money to and from your account. You can transfer money to your Bask account from any other bank account. You can also transfer money from your Bask account to any other bank account. How long does a Bask bank transfer take? Now that we know what Bask is and how it works, let's get to the question that you're all here for. How long does a Bask bank transfer take? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including the type of transfer you're making, the bank you're transferring money from, the bank you're transferring money to, the time of day that you make the transfer. In general, Bask bank transfers take longer than transfers made between two traditional banks. This is because Bask uses a different technology than traditional banks. Here's a breakdown of the average time it takes for a Bask bank transfer to complete. Domestic transfers, 1 to 3 business days. International transfers, 3 to 5 business days. It's important to note that these are just average times. The actual time it takes for your transfer to complete may vary depending on the factors listed above. How can I track my Bask bank transfer? Once you've made a Bask bank transfer, you can track its status in the Bask app. You can also track your transfer by contacting Bask customer support. Tips for making a Bask bank transfer. Here are a few tips for making a Bask bank transfer. Be sure to enter the correct recipient information. Make sure that you enter the correct name, bank account number, and routing number of the recipient. Double-check the amount of the transfer. Make sure that you enter the correct amount of the transfer. Allow enough time for the transfer to complete. If you need to transfer money to your Bask account by a certain date, be sure to allow enough time for the transfer to complete. I hope this video has helped you answer the question, how long does a Bask bank transfer take? If you have any other questions about Bask, please feel free to leave a comment below or contact Bask customer support. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about Bask, I encourage you to visit their website or download their app. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.